you are looking. Oh my God.
Yeah.
We tired today. Please do me a little favor.
What do you want?
Please, can I touch your nyash?
You what? Baby, is that all? Baby, are you running mad?
If not for one thing, that I would have dashed you my phone. But can't see na, babiko.
Mumu man.
Please, turn.
Baby, stop shouting now. Stop shouting.
Turn again. Oh, bube, no more.
Please. Baby, stop now.
You see this on Nash? I'd rather chop it and go to hell.
See this one?
What me that?
What did they do with this girl, one?
Bros, I don't understand though. This is my girlfriend now. Which kind of thing be this one?
You still they do girlfriend and boyfriend thing. You know they hear this virus where they run. So you never hear about coronavirus. You never hear that.
No.
Eh? Sickness where they run all over the whole world. Now you never hear.
Only you hear them.
Eh? See even this one. So if I dey talk to my friend, you follow open mouth they talk.
Why you not go talk?
So you will resemble person wey carry am. Now you open mouth they talk, abi.
To you.
I dey talk, you go open mouth they talk, abi.
Yes, nah.
You dey say same to me, abi. Same to me, abi.
Yes.
You will be say if sickness day 3, I believe say you carry 2.
And you carry 3 of them.
Yeah?
Guy, no, they embarrass my girl now. This is my girlfriend though. Which kind of disease be that one?
My guy, calm down, make I ask this girl a question.
You ask my girl question.
Calm down, make I ask some question.
Okay now.
Me, among these diseases now, why I want name now? Tell me, among these 3 diseases now, why I want mention? Among these 3 diseases, I believe say you must carry 1 for your body.
And you go carry 2.
Yeah? See, if I dey talk, you go dey talk. I see now. You carry this disease where they do for body.
Jesus!
Yeah? You said no, abi?
Yes.
Okay, make I talk this last one. You get this one where they do
Don't ask me like this, nah. Baby, don't mind. I don't even understand again. What's happening? Why is everybody running away? What?
You want your sanitizer?
I know now.
You know what? Why are you here?
Custom.
Now you got what?
Now you custom.
Now you got my girl.
Now you custom. I'm going to about this thing. No green here. Now you custom.
We are dead man.
Yeah?